Salon shoppers, Michelle here to let you know about this really great fractionated coconut oil. Now, this is truly a multi-purpose wonder. It does all kinds of really great things. I use it as a moisturizer on my face. I love how it makes my face feel. Plus it has that really great coconutty smell. It's great for softening and moisturizing your body. I love to put it on after a shower, after I've shaved, so that it keeps my legs nice and smooth and they feel great. It's also one of my secrets for hair care. What I do is I put a little bit of this into my shampoo and massage it into my scalp. Doesn't feel oily or greasy, and it definitely helps my hair feel smoother and softer. As well, it's got this super convenient pump, so you can just pump it out when you need to dispense it. You don't have to like unscrew a lid and pour it into your hand. And finally, I love that it's a great carrier for essential oils. So if you do anything with essential oils, fractionated coconut oil is absolutely a fantastic option for a base oil, and it comes in a great convenient size with the pump. So if you are looking for a super choice for fractionated coconut oil, this one here is a family favorite at my house.